Hey guys. Hey guys. So my birthday's tomorrow. I'm turning 20, so I'm gonna cook a whole feast. So today what we're gonna do is go buy everything we need and then like marinate and prep whatever we need to do today. So tomorrow we can cook everything. We're fasting, so y'all look at my sister. By the way, this is my little sister. She's just taller than me, okay? How's your fasting going?
It's going well.
Are you hungry? Guys, it's crazy because I always eat, I'm the healthy one during suhoor, and she eats like chips and cookies, and I always get hungry. Like around like 4 o'clock, I always end up hungry, and she's never hungry. And she's the one that eats the junk food. But it's okay today. I feel like I'm not gonna be hungry because usually when I'm like up and doing stuff, I'm not hungry. Today I'm gonna be buying groceries, coming home, cleaning up the house. So it should go by easy today. Yesterday was not easy, but God was with me. It's kind of crazy because people are literally staring at me, and this is like my first time. She's rude. I just want to show y'all my outfit real quick because everyone's been complimenting me. So what y'all think?
I don't know why.
Oh, I got this from, when did we get this? This summer from, yeah, we went to Africa this summer. When I went to Mali this summer.
I guess. Okay. That's enough. That's enough of you.
Let me show you guys the list. So this is everything that's on that we need to buy now. I don't know if you see it. So I got everything. All I need is, I'm not going to tell you what else I need because I don't know if 10:23 a.m. I don't know if you can see it, but
it's my birthday.
Right now what I'm gonna do is clean my bed.
Exactly that. Don't die except in the condition of submission, which means lead your lives generally
I have my laptop and my book out just for when I get out the shower I could get straight into it. We got lobster, ground beef, shrimp, lamb, beef, whatever you want to call it.
Lamb and beef are two different animals.
Beef is beef. I thought beef was lamb. Like
Beef is cow.
oh, so laminated beef.
Laminated?
I mean, marinated beef and lamb. So she's making the banana pudding, and he's mixing the cake mix. And then you have this boy right here. Ada! Why aren't you helping us?
You're back.
And he's ignoring me. So I'm about to make the dough for the meat patties. Pate. And what you need? You need flour, yeast. I finally got it to a right consistency. So now I'm gonna make the ground beef. I'm just cutting a little red bell peppers and also yellow bell peppers. Whatever.
No.
Don't poke yourself.
Exactly.
So I got my brothers.
Oh, I just brought this.
Don't. It's okay. Just more. So they doing the. Ada, you're gonna poke yourself. I got more stuff to cook, so they helping.
This YouTube stuff's not for me.
It's gonna go fast.
It's for Ada though. I want to be YouTuber.
Make it a little smaller than that.
That's a pretty great YouTuber.
It was small. It just flattened up. This is good.
Look at my brother. Okay.
Put it too low. No! C'est très bien.
So it's almost time for Iftar. It's 4:40. Well, not almost time for Iftar, but close enough. Talk to you guys again when I'm done. I just don't want to keep back and forth talking because it's going to make the process longer. So I hope you guys enjoy me cooking, I guess.
Happy person in the world.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you. How old are you?
20. Thank you.
I'm asking.
So, this is what I had to do.
That was strawberry. Oh, on the side, you know.
What about the chicken? The chicken's just chilling over.
We're going to eat that later. Nah. Bye, girl. Peace. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's 10:52 a.m. I have one test due, and then I have this essay due. So I'm going to do that right now. And then after that, I'm gonna try to read my Quran. I don't know if this is like the third time you've seen me wear this, but it's like my to-go. Like, it matches my skin complexion. I'm definitely gonna buy more from her. The honey mustard one that you seen me wear yesterday is from her too. It just matches my skin complexion. None of her hijabs are like faded. They're not cheap. They're long and big, so you can style them. I just love them. So please go check her out. So right now it's 6:43.
This is everything that I have so far. Obviously, I have a lot of work that I need to correct, but so I just wanted to get like the base down. I need to go back, put works cited, correct it and all that, but I just need to have something down, okay? Like, stressed out is not even the word. This is crunch time. I gotta get these due 11:59. Camera died. Let's see. I don't know what this means. I gotta charge it, I guess. But the only thing I got out of bed for was literally praying, and that's it. That's the only thing I got out of bed for. What I'm gonna go do is prep for iftar. Well, not prep, like make food for iftar. The pate, what's pate? I guess meat patties. We call it pate. My mom usually makes like this dip, tomato dip with it, so that's what I'm gonna go make right now. Cause my siblings they were like mad yesterday because I didn't make it. I was like, I didn't have time, so I'm gonna make it right now, and then I'm just gonna make mashed potatoes because I'm craving mashed potatoes. Y'all, tell me why I just found some diced tomatoes in the cabinet. I'm so happy right now. That means I don't have to cut no tomatoes. Like, that's cutting my time down even shorter. Yeah, this one girl asked me, she was like, can anyone fast other than Muslims? I was like, anyone can fast. Like, they have this thing called like whatever, however you say it. Anyone can fast, but the difference between Muslim is that number one, we do it for like a spiritual reason. Number two, we pray. We pray. Like, that's the main thing. Like, if you don't pray, your fasting don't count. Take out the inside. Here's the final product. I only put a little dipping sauce because I'm not gonna need a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys like these vlogs.